Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to check analytics in Twitter or X. So I'll be showing this for both the free account as well as the paid premium plan. So let's get started. So there are certain conditions for us to get the full analytics of your Twitter account. So as you can see here, native Twitter analytics, the full analytics dashboard is behind a paywall and generally available only to X premium users. So only the paid users can see the whole analytics of their Twitter account, like their Twitter stats, the engagement, impressions, like all the overall profile details. The free or basic non-premium users cannot see this full analytics and they can see only the individual analytics of their each post. So what I mean by that is that here I'm having a post and this is a free account, and if I just click on this views, I'm getting the impressions, engagements, detail expands and all other analytics. So this is the only analytic feature that the free users will be having just for individual tweets. So now let's see for the paid users. So here I'm having a premium account. As you can see, I'm having a blue tick over here, and here to the left we'll be having the premium option. Click it, and under premium here we are having analytics. Select this. So this will give us basically all the impressions, the number of followers, the number of replies that we have made, the number of times we have posted, every single minute detail of our Twitter account, okay, including all the statistics, and that can be filtered by the date and time range. We can have the overview, so general account informations, the audience, the gender which the people belong, interact to our content, the country, device, the video, live, everything. Like it gives every single bit of information about our Twitter. Okay, so these are the perks that we get having the premium account. We can get a full-fledged analytical view of our account. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming or AI tools. Subscribe me.